Let's learn how to enable one-handed mode. If we enable this one-handed mode, we can use our mobile easily using our one hand. Let's learn how it works and how it enables. Go to your mobile settings. Scroll down this page and go to advanced features option. You can enable this one-handed mode. Now let's learn how it works. Click on this one-handed mode option. In this one-handed mode have two options. One is gesture method and second one is button method. In this gesture method, we can enable this one-handed mode like this. You can see a preview in here. We want to tap down our mobile home button like this. After we can enable this one-handed mode using this gesture method. You can move this window like this. You can resize this. If you want to exit on this one-handed mode, you can tap your mobile blank area like this. Okay, this is gesture method. Let's try this button method. Now I enable buttons method. In this button method, we want to double tap our home button. After we can easily enable one-handed mode. I think this button method is very easy to enable one-handed mode because we want to double tap our home screen and we can easily enable this one-handed mode. If you are using this one-handed mode, I recommend to use button method because it is very easy to enable this one-handed mode.